possible. If you are seated in an aisle seat, we do ask that you please take a moment to ensure that your personal belongings, bags, straps, and any carry-on items are completely underneath the seat in front of you and not in the aisle. Remember that bags may have moved around during takeoff, so be careful when opening the overhead bin. You may now use your laptop and other larger devices. For those customers who will be terminating in June today, you are required to complete the MSM arrival card, one per person. Customs portion may be completed by one member of the family. Keep in mind this is UA flight number 133, arrival date of November 27th. Just a few moments, your flight attendants will be coming to the cabin with a complimentary light breakfast, followed by a beverage service. The beverage card you may find an assortment of sodas, juices, hot coffee, and hot tea. We do also have alcoholic beverages available for purchase in our economy cabin. As a reminder, we are now using contactless payment. I'd also like to remind you that drinking personal alcohol if brought on board is not permitted. And United is committed to sustainability at all altitudes, so please support our efforts to recycle by separating your aluminum cans and plastics when we come around throughout the flight.
Welcome to Chuuk. The local time here is 9:53 a.m. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please do not plug your devices into the outlets. Check around your immediate seating area, seat back pockets, and overhead compartments for all of your personal belongings, and do take caution when opening the overhead bin. Once we arrive at the Gator Airport team, we'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Your feedback is really important to us, so some of you will receive a survey asking about your experience by email or the United app. We'd love to know how you enjoyed your flight with us today. For those customers continuing on with us, there will be security inspection of the interior of the aircraft. If you wish to deplane here, you may do so. Please take everything you brought on board with you, along with your passport and boarding pass. Proceed over to the transit area to await reboarding there. Those remaining on board, we do ask that you please stand clear of the aisle to allow ground person.
Oh, Marcel.